everyone, Namaste and welcome to Funwax Art and Craft. I am back with my executive diary full of memories. This is all what I have shown you. There was a pocket in this, so I want to show you something from that pocket. It is a secret pitara of memories. तो देखिए क्या निकलता है मेमोरीज में से. ये तो पेजेस हैं, पेजेस पे कुछ लिखा हुआ है. आपको क्या लगता है ये क्या होगा? They all are letters. Now letters from a very close friend, my best friend. When I used to be small, I used to go to my नानी house. नानी हाउस के साथ में जो नेबर थे, उनकी जो बेटी थी, वो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी. हम बहुत सारी बातें करते थे. देखिए ये लेटर कितना पुराना है, 24/7/2002. और ये लेटर उससे भी पुराना है, 15th of October 2001. ये भी एक लेटर है जिसमें डेट नहीं है. एंड दिस इज अगेन अ लेटर विच इज़ 9th January 2002. सो एक लेटर इनमें से जिसमें कुछ खास सीक्रेट वाली बात नहीं है. आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट फॉर यू ऑल. So this was written on March 22, 2002. We were in 10th standard and the time is 3:15 p.m. Dear Shippu, hello, how are you? I am fine here and also very happy. I got your letter today from your mummy and just after reading it I started writing for your reply. I filled with happiness when you told me about your result and now each and every word of your letter reflects the charm of your happiness. So I think I have to congratulate you. These words are feelings of my heart of your success. Congratulations. May God fulfill all your dreams and make you a great and that you can touch the sky and pluck the stars. You know my result has also been declared today. Our exams were totally boring. My first exam was of SST and oh my God, it was so difficult and lengthy that 2 of my questions were left. But still I have gained first position in my class. I've got 86%. I'm very 100% happy. One thing is the main cause of my happiness and I've got 100 in maths. Good na? The marks in English is 94. General science is 90. SST is 80. This time up exams were difficult. But God is with me and He's one of my greatest supporters. I have holidays from the 1st of April and she was going to her nani house. So there is a need to write the letter as she has heard about studies and I told her that they were so boring. But फिकर not, शुरू में ऐसा ही लगता है. तो हमारे 10th के एग्ज़ाम्स चल रहे थे, तो नई क्लासेस थी, तो इट वॉज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. सो हार्ड वर्क कुड मेक योर फ्यूचर ब्राइट. तो हम आप एक दूसरे को ऐसे मोटिवेट करते थे बीच बीच में लाइन्स लिख के. तो बीच बीच में हम ये भी बता देते थे कि मेरी राइटिंग थोड़ी गंदी हो रही है बट तू ध्यान से पढ़ लेना. She was in a hurry as she had to pack her bags and बीच में थोड़ा डांट भी देती थी कि मैंने तेरे लिए कुछ भेजा था तो तूने देखा नहीं. तो फिर बोल भी देती थी कि मैं तेरे साथ मजाक कर रही थी. तो यहाँ पे उसने एक जोक लिखा है विच आई वुड लाइक टू रीड आउट फॉर यू. तो लड़कियाँ कुछ डिमांड्स मनवाने के लिए बोल रही थी, हमारी मांगे. पीछे से लड़के बोलते हैं सिंदूर से भर देंगे. तो लड़कियाँ फिर से कहती हैं जो हमसे टकराएगा. लड़के कहते हैं वो पति देव कहलाएगा. So wasn't it a good joke? We used to write jokes to each other and then we used to tell that अभी मैं अपना पेन बंद कर रही हूँ and then I'm going to reply you soon after you send me your reply and I'll be waiting for your letter. So who has written this letter? It is Ellie, my best writing pen friend. So this was one of the letters. I'm not going to read all of them to you. I'm putting them back and we are going to move a little further from here. So they are intact inside and now we have gone through all these pages in the previous video. Here I would like to show you the last picture that I was talking about in the previous video. I'm lying down and पूरा हाथ पैर गंदा कर लिया है. It is from Ziddi Me. मेरे भाई को स्केट्स करने के लिए शिमला में रिंग मिला बट मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला. तो मैं ज़मीन पर लेट गई कि मुझे भी करना है, मुझे भी स्केट्स करना है. So this is how it was and this drawing is similar to the sticker on the right. Now the one who I was talking about, Eliza, she's on the left, this one, and there are many friends on the right, but yes, friends for a lifetime. And this is the bracelet she gifted me once. Now I have preserved it over here. Now this is an envelope which has the names of my friend. These are my school friends: Maggie, Chapuni, Shivani, now Shikhu, Chimpy, then Jyoti, then Sanya, the Khalas girl, then Chandani, Ishani, Ginni, Shimanku, Raju, and many more were there. Some of the names are just given by the slang language, like Pagli. Now what is Chimpu? So all these names. Okay, now this paper is used from an old marriage card cut off, and this is a picture in which we went to Chandigarh Rock Garden by Nek Chand and we visited that place. So all the people who are there are mentioned below. So Ishani, Shivani, then me, then my friend Sonia, then Maninder, Sheenam, and last but not the least, Poonam. This was an amazing trip to Chandigarh's Rock Garden. A little close up, left side Eliza and right side all my 6 friends. Let's move to the next page now. Okay, now these are the possessed memories forever. Now the stickers that you can see, the yellow colored home TV and the picture on the left, they are from a cutout of a newspaper, and this particular paper is a marriage card again. And this is the Barbie tag which I showed you in my first video. And now this picture has 4 generations. This is me, my mom, my nani, and my badi nani, my mom's nani. So one of the person who is missing on the left is on the right, my little cute daughter. I was also small that time, so I couldn't fit her in that frame. So now she's on the right side. She's as cute as this Teddy. So I have added her on the right. This place was meant to be having my friend's picture, but today I felt that it should be her, so I have put up her picture. Now this is again a trip to the Golden Temple, Amritsar. My friends are Isha and Poonam, and I have written some things on the right and the left side. So the most beautiful friends amongst us was Isha, but she was stupid too. We used to call her so because she just wanted to shop, eat and sleep. So now a few lines on Poonam. She was the craziest guy. Why a guy? Because she always used to behave like a boy. She wanted to be a doctor. Now she's a doctor, and we just mentioned that she will be a psychiatrist in a mental hospital and she will be one among the mentals. But no, she's a very renowned doctor right now. And yes, I love my friends a lot. And it's not just that one friend is there and I couldn't get a picture of the same, or I have put up some pictures. That doesn't mean that one friend is important and the other is not. No, everyone is important. So I have put up few stickers over here and Tazo over here. And now, because each and every friend is important, this particular picture in brown colored dress is from this school, and this was from 2nd standard. Now you have to guess where am I. In few seconds I'm going to tell you and reveal the hidden truth. So this is me. I'm going to zoom a little so that you can see the clear me. Yeah, now this one in the top, yes, this one is me. Now this picture and the bottom picture is from standard 5. Again the trip to Rock Garden, and this picture is a class picture from standard 5. I am here. I'm sitting below my favorite maths teacher, Anup sir. So it was all for today. We are going to meet in the next video now. Till then, do like my video, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.